Maliban sa pagpapatayo ng billboard, ano ba bang mga ibang nagawa mo?
Sasagutin ko ba talaga yan? Damn! Hi guys! I just checked off my childhood bucket list today, and that's to be interviewed by Mr. Stanley Chi here in BGC! Ay, yay! Cool! Yeah!
Okay guys, meron tayong segment dito sa Stan on the Street na tinatawag nating bucket list. Lahat ng nandito sa bucket list, may mga tanong to galing sa mga Facebook users natin. Bubunot siya, sasagutin ng guest natin. Ready ka na ba, Sian?
Cool!
Bunot ka na.
From Mary Joyce Cruz, bakit mas gumastos ka pa sa billboard kesa sa magiging date nyo? How would you know na hindi gagastos sa date mismo? Kung asking for a coffee date invitation is through the billboard, and how much more is the date itself? From Patrick Moral, MD. Bakit ka ganyan manamit? This is the way I am since teenage days, since childhood days. So I just want to be natural and no one tells what I wear. It's my own preference. Baduy na akong baduy, but this is me, sorry. From Carl Lagman, bakit ganyan ang boses mo? Wala na akong magagawa. Since birth, ganito talaga boses ko at katatawan talaga ako ever since grade school, high school, and college days. Gaylord boys. Question from Patrick Moral. Bakit ka fame war? Definitely, I'm not a fame war. Nagkataon lang, these detractors of mine na naglabas ng issue, they put me on the fame, they put me on the national publicity, so it goes with the flow. Meow! Question from Ivy Elia. Bakit ka ganyan? Kasi ganito ako. Damn! Bakit di ka magtayo ng Nyam Coffee Shop? Give me a business proposal in establishing Nyam Coffee Shop. Maybe I will entertain. Cool! Bakit si Erich? Erich is my childhood crush ever since. So, tatlo lang sila. It's Erich Gonzalez, Ella Cruz, Liza Soberano. So, bakit si Erich? Tatlo lang talaga silang crush ko. Bakit ka naging biktima ng pag-ibig? Nakakatanga pag magmahal. Bakit ka nagpa-billboard? Kala ko sweet eh. Kala ko okay. So, kala ko it's a good gesture. Mali pala. It's a good realization.
Thank you for finishing all the questions sa bucket list challenge natin. Palakpakan natin si Sian Gasa, guys. Yan, oh. Dahil sinagot mo yung mga tanong sa bucket list, sa'yo na tong bucket list.
Thank you so much. I don't know how to put this into words. I can't even express how much I appreciate it a lot.
Thank you for joining us, Sian Gasa.
Yeah!
May mga sumusuporta sa'yo. Do you have any message to them?
Dun sa 1 out of 1,000 people na supporters ko, out of the 999 haters. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you for believing in me. Keep posted. Mga posts ko, just follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and as much as I can that I can inspire lives, then I will be very happy.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Sian Gasa. Thank you for guesting sa Stan on the Street. Ang daming magagandang design na billboard. Bakit ganun ang ginawa mo?
Mas lalaki pa boses ni Charis Pempenko kesa kay Sian Gasa. Yeah!
Ano masasabi mo sa pa-billboard na ginawa ni Kuya?
Yeah!